and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I have a surprise for you guys. We are going to create polygel nails all for under $4. So I'm using this really cool Rosiland polygel that I got from AliExpress under $4, and it's the super beautiful clear polygel with tons of micro pink and green glitters in it. It's absolutely beautiful and it worked really nicely, you guys. So I'm taking some dual forms here. I put a little bit of that polygel inside that nail form, and I'm going to use a gel brush and rubbing alcohol as my slip solution to push that onto the dual form. And you're going to want the majority of your product in the middle of the dual form. You're going to want it finished at the cuticle area. And I'm going to be doing this across all of the nails. And you guys, if you love everything nails and want to learn how to create super easy and affordable nails at home, please subscribe to my channel. It's a lot of fun on here. I show you tons of tips and tricks. Okay, you guys, so I'm using my Light Elegance number 4 oval gel brush with rubbing alcohol, as I told you guys before, and I am just pulling and patting this polygel into the dual form to my desired length. And again, you guys, we are creating polygel nails for under $4. Yep, this polygel is around $3.30 on AliExpress. It is polygel by Rosiland. I will link everything down below for you guys, and I was super impressed with this polygel. It was not sticky at all, probably one of the least sticky polygels I have ever used. All the glitters were in there really smooth. There's tons of iridescent pink and green glitters in here. I absolutely loved working with this polygel. I didn't think that I would like it so much, but it was really good. So here, you guys, again, I am using rubbing alcohol as my slip solution, and I am pushing and pulling that polygel into the dual forms. I suggest you guys using Model 1's dual forms. I like them because they are straighter, and I do not like when my dual forms are extra curvy. If you guys know what I mean, dual forms tend to have a very deep curve to them, and I like my nails rather straight. So I suggest you guys go for the Model 1's dual forms. They're the straightest dual forms you can find out there, and they work great. Again, you guys can see how not sticky. Seriously, between every dual form, I only had to dip my nail in that slip solution once, and that was enough. And that's after wiping it on paper towel. And that was enough to keep my brush from sticking, and it went really smoothly to press and pull it down. I cannot recommend this polygel enough. It worked really well, and it was super easy to work with. So I am just finishing up all of those dual forms, and soon we will get to application. Again, you guys, when you use dual forms with polygel, I find it is super easy to get that perfect shape, especially if you're a beginner. Dual forms are absolutely great to use for that. You just want to make sure that the majority of your product is in the middle of that nail, right? So it's going to be thinner at the cuticle area. Then the majority of your product is in the middle of the nail, and then the rest at the tip. And this is going to give you that strength and make sure that our nails last. And you guys, to prep your nails for any enhancement, as always, you guys are going to want to clean your nails. Then you're going to want to scrub up the surface just to get off that surface shine. I like to use a 180 grit hand file or sanding band on your e-file. Never press into your natural nails, you guys. You just want to remove that natural shine from your nail. Then you're going to clean them off again really well with rubbing alcohol. Then you're going to apply your dehydrator, your primer, and then with polygel nails, you're going to go in with a layer of base gel, any base gel you would like. I like using the Light Elegance P Plus gel base. And you guys, we are all ready for our application. So this is after our base gel has cured on our nail, and we are going in with the dual form. We are starting at the cuticle area and very lightly just pressing, walking that dual form down towards the tip of the nail, really, really gentle. So from the cuticle area, really lightly press, and you can see that polygel moving in there. And what's really cool about polygel, you guys, is you can do all your nails at once with this. The polygel is going to stick onto your nail for a good few seconds here, about 30 seconds. So you have enough time to do them all if you want, or one at a time. Before you stick them into your lamp, I'm just pressing them down, making sure that they are adhered. And then I'm going to pop them into my UV LED lamp. And this polygel required a 60-second cure. Again, you guys, you can see here on the thumb how I'm pressing from cuticle towards the free edge. You can see that polygel adhering to the nail. And of course, you guys, we have our layer of base gel cured underneath. And before you put it in that lamp, you can always go around the edges to get any polygel that might have slipped out. Alright, you guys, so here is after we cured our nails in the UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. Then you want to clean off the inhibition layer with rubbing alcohol, and that's it, you guys. Super, super easy. We have beautifully formed and shaped polygel nails. Now, this step is optional, you guys, but you guys know I'm crazy for really sharp and sleek shaped nails. I find that this makes a huge difference when you're doing your nails at home to get that salon-like quality at home. So I always like to file, you guys. This is going to get your nails looking perfect. Okay, so here I'm just going around that cuticle area to get any polygel that may have gone over onto the skin, and I'm also sealing in our cuticle area so that we will not have any lifting. And then before, I just went around these oval shaped nails to ensure that our shape is on point. And I'm doing this to all the nails until I'm satisfied. Then I clean them with rubbing alcohol, and we're on to the super fun, cute, and easy bling application. So that bow that you saw, you guys, I'm going to link everything down below for you as usual. And to apply any big bling, you guys know that I love going in with Orly Gel FX Builder in a bottle. And then a layer of top gel on top of that, not cured. And I'm going to use my aimieili top gel. And this, you guys, will always ensure that your stones are going to stay in place. So I highly suggest this method. Any builder gel or builder in a bottle, a really thin layer of that. And then you're going to go right directly on top of that with a nice floating layer of no wipe top coat. And this is going to keep your big gems and little gems in place. Oh my goodness, you guys, I cannot get over the glitter in this polygel. We have tons of iridescent and pink glitter, some mylar in there, and tons of super fine iridescent glitters. I love this polygel. So beautiful. Okay, we are going in with these lovely nail art bows here. These are super, super cute bows covered in little crystals. And I am placing those on the nail with my nail tweezers. And then I'm going to use these really, really pretty AB pearls in assorted sizes. And I think I'm going to do a border around this nail. And I really, really love border nail art, you guys. You basically just surround the entire border of your nail with any crystals or pearls of your choice. Also, chains are really, really pretty. So I just love this, you guys. So I went around the nail with these little pearls, and the size of these are sorted. So I just randomly chose random sizes here, and I went around the entirety of the nail. And this rhinestone picker upper I always use, you guys. It's from Amazon. As always, I'm going to link everything down below for you guys, but I can't believe that we could get these polygel nails all for $4, you guys. This polygel is only $3.30, and it worked absolutely beautiful, better than a lot of other polygels that I've used actually. So I really, really like this one. I don't know if all Rosiland polygels are like this, but this one worked really, really well. It is number 36, you guys. I'm going to link the AliExpress link down below for you guys. But it's going to show you guys all of the Rosiland polygels on there. And this particular one is number 36. It has tons of green and pink iridescent mylars in there and lots of iridescent green and pink fine glitters. These are super adorable nails. Loving how they're coming out here. Oh my goodness. I am just absolutely in love with these. And you guys, the camera does not do it justice. These nails are blingy. That sparkle is insane. Absolutely love it. And you guys, here I'm using my super affordable nail crystals, as always, from Amazon. Love these nail crystals. They are AB nail crystals. You can get them off of Amazon, and they shine really, really beautifully, you guys. Super affordable and really, really pretty. So I highly recommend these nail crystals. If you guys do not want to invest yet in Swarovskis, these are a great alternative. And I'm not sure here, you guys, but I do think I end up bordering these nails all with the crystals. And you guys, please subscribe to my channel. I do tons of fun nail art, nail try-ons, nail reviews. I show you how to get really easy, fun, and affordable nails all from the comfort of your home. You do not need to go to a salon to get beautiful, gorgeous, glam nails. Just learn with me and your nails will be incredible at home. And polygel, you guys, is a super easy way to start trying out nails. It's really, really easy to work with, especially with dual forms. And this one in particular, this Rosiland glitter polygel, worked absolutely flawlessly. I cannot explain to you guys how easy the application was on these. I don't think I've ever had a polygel that wasn't not as sticky as this one. This one was totally not sticky, you guys. It was really, really moldable and easy to work with. So I really like this one. And again, all on for $4. So super happy about that. I love finding cheap alternatives to nail products and actually cheaper nails that actually work and last. So that is always a bonus. And as always, you guys, if you have any questions at all or just want to say hi, you guys can always leave me a comment down below. I'm more than happy to help or just hang out with you guys. Oh my goodness, I'm loving the border of this nail. I bordered it with these Amazon crystals, and I really, really like the way that that turned out. It just really brings out the glitter in this polygel. You guys can see much more of the glitter in there with all of these blingy AB crystals. And you guys, with any semi-transparent or transparent nails, always, always, always make sure to top coat the back. It is going to bring out those nails and make them pop even more. So that's a super cool hack for you guys. Just top coat the back of your nails, especially when they're see-through, and it's going to make them shine even more. Alright, you guys, so we are going to cure these babies, pop on some cuticle oil, and then we're going to do our final reveal. These gorgeous polygel nails for under $4. I hope you guys love these super glittery, cute polygel nails under $4 from AliExpress. I hope you guys enjoy. Please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe.